How to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further go ahead and select the post that you want to hide without deleting. Now, tap on the three dots on the post and you will see that in the menu that appears, there you will see that there is no direct option to hide the post without deleting. However, you will see the option for archive. So tap on the archive option and with this, the post will be removed from your profile and will be sent to the archives folder. Now, if you want to view your archive post, then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and under the How You Use Instagram tab, you will see the archive option. Tap on that and then tap on the top of your screen and you will see the drop down. Make sure the drop down is selected to Post Archive option and not Stories Archive or Live Archive. Further, in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to view all your archived posts. So, this is how you can hide photos on Instagram without deleting. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.